Here's the master bathroom, tile job in the shower. You can see it all around the top, unfinished edges, caulked and painted. No bull nose, no finished tile, no stop, no nothing. Just plain tile. Shower pan, caulked in. Poor fit and finish, no sanded trim. Giant caulk gap. This is all around my shower in the master bath. Not flat against the wall. Inconsistent, no bull nose to finish the edges. Just a poor quality job all around. Shower door works. Come in, we can see around the top of the shower, no finish on any of the edges of the tile. Completely like that. Here's around the shower pan. And here we look at our new corner shelf, which seems to be a piece of tile ripped down into two triangle pieces glued back to back, with another piece ripped along the edge to cover the face, and then a nice little paint job on the edges of the tile to make it nice. Not an acceptable corner shelf, but acceptable for Gehan homes. Poor quality. Let's get out of the master stand-up shower. Let's go look around the tub. Be the same thing around the tub. No bull nose, no finished tile on the edge, caulked and painted tile edges. Here's some of the base trim, not sanded, poor quality finish. Here we can see the gap along the edge, along the top of the tile where there's no finished treatment on it, just painted the edge of it. That seems to be an acceptable finish. Here we have a corner going into the window, pretty crooked. No finish up against the windowsill. Here's a corner that's a little bit straighter, and still we see no finish edging on any of the tile, just paint. Same going down the back wall. Painted edges, no finish, no bull nose. Come into the corner, look at the trim, starting to crack. Here's a door entrance into the master closet. And here we are. Poor fit and finish. Caulk joints everywhere. Again, do your best, caulk the rest. Here's the caulk in the bathroom base. Already cracking, pull them apart. Tile butted to the baseboard, caulked edges. Same thing on the opposite side, another poor fit and finish.